Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the prism stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the extended single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 extended single crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Into the next chain, make 1 half double crochet. This is going to be the sequence for this row. Into the next chain, make 1 extended single crochet. Into the next chain, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next chain, make 1 extended single crochet. Into the next chain, make 1 half double crochet. So you're going to repeat this sequence, alternating between making 1 extended single crochet into 1 chain and then 1 half double crochet into the next chain for the rest of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. So we'll be doing the same sequence as our last row. We're just going to be starting with the half double crochet first. So make a half double crochet into the first stitch. Make an extended single crochet into the next one. Half double crochet into the next stitch. Extended single crochet into the next one. Now you're going to be repeating this sequence. Make a half double crochet into one stitch and then an extended single crochet into the next stitch for the rest of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. So row 3 is going to be similar to row 1, where we started with the extended single crochet, then the half double. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. So into the first stitch, make that extended single crochet. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make an extended single. Into the next stitch, make a half double crochet. Now again, you're going to alternate between these stitches, making a extended single crochet into the next stitch and then a half double crochet into the next stitch until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the prism stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.